I learned the hard way that a bare truck bed is a massive gamble. After a sudden thunderstorm ruined $1,000 worth of power tools I'd carelessly left in the back of my rig, I rushed out to buy a bed cover. But navigating the endless sea of flimsy vinyl, leaky seals, and overly complicated installations was a nightmare of its own. You need something that actually protects your gear without ruining your truck's everyday utility. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best truck bed covers on the market for my own testing. And wait until you see why number 1 completely changes the game. 7. RealTruck Roll-N-Lock. When I first got my hands on the RealTruck, specifically the M series, I was incredibly excited about the prospect of a retractable cover. The idea of just turning a key and having the cover slide back smoothly into a canister sounded like the ultimate convenience. On paper, the hybrid construction of vinyl over aluminum slats promises the sleek look of a soft cover with the heavy-duty security of a hard shell. During my initial unboxing, the materials felt premium, and the lock mechanism seemed robust enough to keep thieves at bay. However, getting this thing installed and living with it day to day quickly revealed some frustrating realities. The installation process is far more tedious than a standard folding cover, requiring precise alignment of the tracks to ensure the cover doesn't bind up when rolling. Once it was finally on, I realized just how much of a penalty you pay for that retractable convenience. The canister that houses the rolled-up cover takes up a significant portion of the bed, right up near the bulkhead, instantly robbing you of valuable cargo space that you might need for lumber or motorcycles. My real-world testing also exposed some glaring issues with the track system and weather resistance. If you park your truck under trees, be prepared to constantly clean out pine needles, leaves, and dirt from the side tracks. If those tracks get gunked up, the cover refuses to slide smoothly, forcing you to yank and pull on it. 6. Rough Country Hard Trifold. Moving on to folding covers, I wanted to test the Rough Country Hard because it positions itself as an affordable entry point into the hardcover market. Coming in at a much lower price point than the premium brands, I was eager to see if it could deliver genuine protection without breaking the bank. Out of the box, the aluminum panels have a decent weight to them, and the sleek, flush-fitting design genuinely looks great when mounted on the truck. It gives the bed a streamlined, finished appearance that you usually only get from much more expensive options. But the old saying, "you get what you pay for," started to rear its head almost as soon as I began the installation. The clamping mechanism designed to secure the cover to the bed rails feels remarkably cheap and somewhat flimsy compared to the heavy-duty hardware I'm used to seeing. Getting the clamps to bite down securely without feeling like the plastic handles were going to snap under pressure was a delicate balancing act. After a few weeks of driving, I found myself constantly having to go back and retighten the clamps because road vibrations would slowly work them loose. The weather resistance is another area where the Rough Country cover severely disappointed me during testing. The rubber seals that run along the hinges and the perimeter of the bed feel a bit too thin and rigid. During a trip through an automated car wash, a surprising amount of water bypassed the tailgate seal and seeped in through the folding hinge points. 5. Tyger Auto T3. Usually, I am not a massive fan of soft trifold covers because they tend to flap in the wind and degrade quickly in the sun, but the Tyger T3 shattered those expectations. For a fraction of the cost of a hardcover, you get a heavily reinforced, marine-grade vinyl top that feels incredibly thick and resilient to the touch. The stitching around the edges is tight and well executed, giving the impression that this cover was built to withstand serious abuse. What really impressed me was the tension system and how well it held up during highway testing. With many soft covers, driving at 70 miles per hour turns the bed of your truck into a parachute, with the vinyl loudly slapping against the support bows. The Tyger T3, however, pulled completely taut across the bed. The heavy-duty aluminum powder-coated frames kept the vinyl rigid, resulting in a quiet ride and improved aerodynamics. I even noticed a slight bump in fuel economy during a long road trip, which is always a welcome bonus. The clamp system on the Tyger T3 is surprisingly brilliant and infinitely better than the one on the rough country. It uses quick-release clamps that allow you to fold the cover up or remove it entirely in under 3 minutes without using a single tool. This is a massive win for everyday usability. If I needed to spontaneously load a bulky piece of furniture into the back of my truck, taking the T3 off and tossing it into the back seat was completely effortless. Of course, being a soft cover, it fundamentally lacks the security of a hard shell. 4. Gator EFX Hard. The moment I laid this cover onto my truck bed, I appreciated the heavy-duty aluminum construction combined with a scratch-resistant matte black powder coat. It sits incredibly flush with the bed rails, giving the truck a stealthy, low-profile look that I absolutely love. It doesn't look like a bulky aftermarket add-on. It looks like a factory-integrated piece of the truck. During my weather testing, the Gator EFX performed admirably, largely thanks to its integrated rail system. Unlike top-mount covers that rely solely on rubber seals pressing against the plastic bed caps, the EFX uses an inner track equipped with drain tubes. When water inevitably works its way past the top hinges during a torrential downpour, it gets caught in the tracks and channeled out through the tubes rather than dripping onto your cargo. My gear stayed bone dry even after blasting the bed with a pressure washer. The operation of the Gator EFX is incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. The pull cable release system allows you to easily unlatch the cover from either side of the truck with a simple tug. The panels fold back smoothly on continuous rubber hinges that feel durable and well sealed against the elements. You can secure the cover in the folded position using the heavy-duty straps, allowing you to haul larger items while driving down the highway without the panels bouncing around. The only minor gripe I found during my time with the EFX is that it doesn't fold up 100% against the back window. The final panel remains strapped down over the bulkhead, meaning you lose about 8 inches of bed access at the very front. 3. Worksport AL3. The Worksport is a slightly newer player in the premium hard-folding space, but my hands-on testing proved that it absolutely deserves its spot near the top of this list. What immediately stood out to me was the sheer rigidity of the aluminum panels. Worksport claims these panels can support significant, evenly distributed weight, and after climbing up and standing on the cover to wash the roof of my truck, I can confidently verify that claim. There was zero flex, zero groaning, just a rock-solid platform that instills massive confidence in its durability. The latching mechanism on the AL3 is one of the smoothest I have ever operated. It utilizes a proprietary locking system that clicks securely into place with a satisfying metallic thud. You don't have to slam the panels down or fight with alignment. It just works effortlessly every single time you close it. The textured black finish not only looks rugged and aggressive, but also did an incredible job of hiding fingerprints, dust, and minor scuffs during my off-road testing in muddy conditions. Weather protection is another area where the Worksport AL3 truly shines. The perimeter seals are thick, pliable, and conform perfectly to the contours of the truck bed. Even at the vulnerable tailgate intersection, the weather stripping formed a tight barrier. I drove through a massive summer squall that flooded the local streets, and upon checking the bed afterward, I couldn't find a single drop of water inside. It effectively turns your truck bed into a massive, weather-tight trunk. While it is priced in the premium tier, the Worksport AL3 justifies its cost with phenomenal build quality and hassle-free operation. 2. RealTruck Extang Solid Fold ALX. Instead of traditional aluminum, Extang uses 1-inch thick EnduraShield panels made from an automotive-grade polymer. When I first tested this, I took a hammer and lightly tapped the panels. They literally bounced the hammer right back without leaving a single dent or scratch. Furthermore, unlike black aluminum, which gets hot enough to fry an egg on during the summer, these polymer panels remain surprisingly cool to the touch in direct sunlight. The mounting system on the Solid Fold ALX is a masterpiece of engineering. There are absolutely no rails to install, no drain tubes to route, and no tools required. You simply set the cover on the bed, reach underneath, and twist the jaw grip clamps to lock the front panel to the bed flanges. The entire installation took me roughly 5 minutes. Because it sits on top of the bed rails rather than flush inside them, it completely maximizes the interior volume of your bed, leaving you every square inch of cargo space. But the real magic of the ALX is the secure rotary release latch system. Instead of messing with pull cables or pinch releases, there is a simple, heavy-duty rotary knob located under the rear panel. A quick twist of the wrist releases the latches on both sides simultaneously, allowing you to fold the panel up with one hand. It is hands down the most satisfying and ergonomic opening mechanism I have ever tested on a bed cover. When it comes to weather resistance, the top mount design combined with massive, blade-style rubber seals creates an almost impenetrable barrier against rain and snow. Because there are no tracks for water to pool inside, it just cascades right off the sides of the truck. 1. RealTruck BAK BakFlip MX4. After testing dozens of covers over the years, the MX4 remains the gold standard that every other manufacturer is trying to catch. The moment you see the premium matte black finished aluminum panels, you know you're dealing with a top-tier product. The finish is UV resistant, highly scratch resistant, and matches the factory plastic bed caps of modern trucks so perfectly that it looks like it rolled off the assembly line with the cover already installed. What elevates the MX4 above everything else is its unparalleled functionality, specifically its full bed access. Unlike the Gator EFX that blocks the front portion of your bed, the MX4 folds all the way up and leans securely against your back window. It features built-in bumpers to protect your glass and rigid prop rods that lock the cover in the upright position. This means you can drive down the highway at full speed with the cover up, utilizing 100% of your truck bed for hauling refrigerators, motorcycles, or large furniture, without having to remove the cover at all. The true stroke of genius on the MX4, however, is the dual-action tailgate seal. On older bed covers, you had to close the tailgate first and then shut the cover on top of it to prevent tearing the weather stripping. The MX4 utilizes a uniquely designed seal that allows you to close the cover and the tailgate in any order. It sounds like a small detail, but in everyday real-world use, having the freedom to just slam your tailgate shut without worrying about the bed cover above, it is a massive quality of life upgrade. Ultra. That's all for today.